Will that thing hold me? Again, I have a feeling that
Albrino could do it.
oh my god, that's so crazy. How did you get up there? Oh, I was like,
Yeah.
They could go at the very top.
Me?
Yeah.
No, she just has to stand where she can reach it, that's all.
What if it breaks? It won't. Just go. Lift up your knees.
Well, now you're going to make it higher.
No, like. Pat, watch. Yeah.
No.
And Christy. You have to do it for Christy.
Do what?
Put it higher.
Oh.
You got one? Is that good?
Yeah.
Wow, that gets warm. Really warm.
It looks like I'm going to hit the tree.
Jamie, watch.
I might.
Ready for this? One more. Yeah. This is where it's at. That's pretty fun.
Oh, come on. I can't. It's too heavy for me.
Exactly what you did. That's where I made it a little bit.
Boom, right in the tree.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Ow. Ow. I just did.
Ready?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's not even that scary.
No, it's Mickey.
Here goes nothing.
Oh, dude.
Okay, it's not gonna hurt that bad. You act like you're 400 feet in the air. Boom, the tree. Are you gonna watch?
Yeah, so they don't hit the posts.
Oh no. You go faster when your feet are in. You're not even going fast. Yeah, well, it feels like it when you're spinning. Whoa.